Hi everyone, my name is Mary and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of 4 of Louis Vuitton's hard to find pieces. So let's begin. We'll start off with this box. I have 4. I already removed all of my personal information. So let's open the first box. I have not seen any of this. Let's put the goodies out and set this box aside. Okay, no ribbon. I guess it's normal nowadays. It comes in an envelope that looks like this. On an envelope it has the receipt, the return label, and the instructions on how to return it. What do you think this one, guys? This is the very famous Toiletry 19 in monogram canvas. This is what it looks like in the front, on the back, and on the side. And it also comes with the leather tab. This was made in Spain. Try the zipper. Wow. Okay. Buttery smooth. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. It's a wipeable lining. And it has, normally comes with this too, the textile card and the code number. Let me just inspect this one, just in case there's some quality issues with the alignment and some glazing, the stitches. We have to inspect everything nowadays. So far I don't see any visible quality issues, so I'm going to keep it. Again, let's move on with the second box. I'm just gonna set this one aside. Just like I said, I already removed all of my information. So we're just gonna focus on the goodies. And this is going to be a quick video. No ribbon on the second box. It always comes with this envelope, I hope so. Especially with no ribbon. The receipt, the return label, and the instruction. Any guesses on this second box? I'm sure you already know by now what this is. Let me just put this box on the floor. This is the second piece. This is the Toiletry 26. Again, in the monogram canvas. I'm just, wow. There's actually a tremendous difference between the 26 and the 19. I'm just inspecting, guys. Okay, the front, the side, and the back. And again, the side. Okay, this piece was made in France. Okay, we'll try to test the zipper. Okay, there you go. And again, with the wipeable lining. Oops. Just beautiful. This textile card and the item code number. Wow, this is gorgeous. But there's really a tremendous difference between the 26 and the 19. By the way, I'm just gonna grab the 19 and the 26. This is the 19 and this is the 26. Look at the difference. Huge difference. We'll inspect this one later. But wow, this is humongous compared to the 19. Another keeper. Let's set this to a side and move on with the third box. This is the third box. We're almost there. I guess the third box has no ribbon again. I'm not gonna get into the envelope again because we already know what's inside. So I will set this one aside and get into what's inside of this box. Any guesses? Any guesses? This is the mini pochette accessoire or mini pochette accessories in the Damier Azur. And wow, this is very, very beautiful. Wow. Okay, it comes with a chain and a hook. I call it a clasp. And again, a leather tab. This was made in France. Now I can truly understand why this is always sold out on the Louis Vuitton website. By the way, guys, I purchased this all at the Louis Vuitton website. I'll go further on that after the fourth box. Let's try the zipper. So far, so good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Look at the hook and the chain. So far, there's no hairline scratches. The tab looks perfect. Let's open it. Again, textile card and the item number. And wow, okay. This can get dirty so fast. So I'll probably order a lining to keep this one clean, because if you put your lipstick in here and just a tiny smear of your lip gloss or lipstick, that can really ruin your day. But this is so beautiful. Wow. Yes, I am keeping this one for sure. And let's move on with the fourth box. Set this one aside. Let's move on with the last box. Oh, yes, no ribbon on all four boxes, but you know what? That's fine. I'm just grateful I have all of this in my collection. Any guesses on this one? Oh, by the way, the envelope, we're not gonna get into that one. least it has a dust bag. Any guesses, guys? Yes, this is a mini pochette accessoire or mini pochette accessories in the damier ebene. Wow. Okay. The canvas on this one is actually stiffer than the one in the damier azure. But this is what it looks like. This was made in France. I hope you can see it, guys. Wow. Okay, so far there's no visible damage or quality issues, but again, I will inspect it later. But just the fact I have these two in my collection, I am so happy, and I have full intention on getting or finding the monogram. Let's try the zipper. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that was like... Okay, I thought there was something wrong with the zipper. Oh, guys, how hard it is to get one of these. Wow, look at the bright cherry red lining. It is beautiful. Just the contrast between the brown and the red. It's just gorgeous. And again, this too, but wow, I love the red lining. Wow. Again, this is the mini pochette accessories in the damier ebene, or the mini pochette accessoire in the damier ebene. Let me know, guys, how you pronounce damier ebene, damier azure, mini pochette accessoire, mini pochette accessories. Let me know, guys, at the comment section how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is definitely a keeper. No, I'm not going to return this one. I'm keeping all four of them. Anyway, guys, I got all four of those at the Louis Vuitton website. I don't have any client associate help. Okay, that's it for the unboxing, guys. If you have any questions on how I managed to purchase all these four within 30 days at the Louis Vuitton website, please leave all your inquiries at the comment section, and I'll be very happy to answer all of your inquiries. Or if you want me to make a separate video, because I have some screenshots on when and what time you should be online in order for you to get one of these pieces, or two or three, or all of them, please let me know, and I'll be very happy to make a separate video for you. Again, thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart, for spending few minutes of your time with me. And if you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload next time. Again, my name is Mary, and I will see you very soon. See ya.